In tonight's video, I want to examine the concept that the longer and deeper a consolidation is, the bigger the move tends to be once a breakout occurs. And I'm going to show you an example here, and then I'm going to show you what I think is coming. So this is gold. You can see in this chart, or in, I guess it's 2006, you can see a very, about a year, maybe just a little over a year consolidation. You can see how that produced a big move from 700 up over 1,000, and then we've got after that we've got another consolidation here from that top in 2008 until the breakout in late 2009. And again, you can see what this big, long, um, almost 2-year consolidation produced that massive C wave into that top in above 1900. So the longer these consolidations last, the bigger the move tends to be when the breakout occurs. Obviously, we're not ready to break out yet, but I suspect, once the bull market recovers and once we, eventually get back up here to retest the 2011 high, could be next year, maybe even into 2019. This is going to be a huge consolidation over many years, and that is what is going to drive the bubble phase in gold. And I'm going to say right now, I think we will easily get to 10,000 in gold once this consolidation that we're in right now is finished and we get a breakout. But on a more immediate time frame, we've got an even bigger consolidation in the Nasdaq, and I've pointed this out before. My expectation is that once the breakout was complete, and you can see we got there in 2015 and we tested it a couple times, couldn't get through it. We moved down into the 7-year cycle low, and now we have broken out, and you can see it has already started. This is not playing out as some very mild mannered, slow move up. We are already starting the the very massive quick move higher. Now I would like to see, we're going to have a yearly cycle low that's coming due here. It's probably been pushed out to late April or May at this point, but we're going to have a yearly cycle low. So what I would like to see is a very scary pullback that retests this breakout sometime in the next couple months. And then I think that would set the stage for the final bubble phase of this bull market to take off. And I'm going to say that we're easily going to go to 10,000 on the Nasdaq, and we might even make it as high as 20,000 before this is over. This is just a huge, gigantic consolidation that is now in the process of breaking out of that of this multi-year consolidation, and this is going to power a mind-boggling move higher, in my opinion. And over the last 8 years, central banks have printed just an unbelievable trillions and trillions and trillions of currency units. So there is plenty of money to drive this move and fulfill my expectations of just a massive move up now that this breakout is complete. I think all we need now is just a quick little sell-off to scare everybody, get everybody on the wrong side of the market, looking for the bear market, a continuation of the bear market, which many people have, they continue to look for a bear market all the way up. That most people have missed the rally. Most people are going to miss the bubble, or most of the bubble phase of this bull market. but we've got a huge move ahead of us over the next year or two.